Hey guys, how's it going? Nick here, and today we're going to talk about the brand new Xbox One, right after this. So after several years, Microsoft has finally announced the brand new Xbox, and it is called the Xbox One. Now there's a lot to talk about with this brand new system, so let's just get into it, guys. Now the Xbox One brings a lot of brand new software features. The first one we're going to talk about is the brand new gesture features that the Xbox One has. They include grab and pan and swipe up and swipe down. Now another new software feature that Microsoft has announced with the brand new Xbox One is the ability to watch live TV on your Xbox One. Now the Xbox One will not replace your cable box or your DVR. Now it will stream via HDMI to your Xbox One from your cable box. Now as of right now, Comcast is the only TV provider that has said they want to work with Xbox One, but I would expect more TV providers to come and say they were willing to work with them as we approach the release date. Another really cool software feature that Microsoft announced with the Xbox One is the ability to use voice commands with the Xbox. It's almost like having Siri or Google now on your Xbox One. Now, as of right now, there's not a huge list of commands that can be used with it, but I'm sure Microsoft has a ton that they just haven't released or announced yet, considering E3 is just around the corner. Speaking of software, Microsoft is promising that they will bring a brand new operating system to the Xbox One at some point in the future. They haven't really given any details to what it will look like or anything, but they are promising a brand new OS. Now, along with a brand new Xbox also comes a brand new Kinect. The new Kinect will shoot in 1080p and be able to detect motion better than its previous version. Now, along with the new Kinect and new Xbox also comes a brand new Xbox controller, which is good because I was getting very bored of the old design. Now, the new design, which is a little weird if you ask me, but I'm sure after a while we'll all get used to it, and we'll all love it and hate the old controller, just like we do with every new system that comes with a new controller. You know how it goes. Now, the new controller also brings in some new features, like an improved D-pad, which is good, I guess. I never used the old D-pad, so it doesn't affect me in the least. But there are some other cool new features, including an integrated battery, which means you users don't have to go and buy AA batteries every other week. Now, along with the integrated battery and the improved D-pad, the new controller will also have a quicker response time on the triggers, which is really good for all those first-person shooter games. Now, along with all this great and glorious news about the brand new Xbox One, there is some sadness about the Xbox One. Like the PS4, the Xbox One will not be backward compatible with Xbox 360 games. This means that you will not be able to play your Xbox 360 games on your Xbox One. Now, after all this news, I'm sure there are two things that you viewers want to know. When will it be available, and how much will it cost? As of right now, we do know that it will be released this year. I would expect it to be released sometime around the holidays. Now, as of the cost, I would expect it to be somewhere around the price of its competitor, the PS4, which means it'll probably be a couple $100. Thanks for watching, guys. Tell me what you like or don't like in the comment section down below. Also, be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Follow me on Twitter at TheBeast96901 and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscribe button's around here somewhere. Just be sure you click it. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace!